So hey everyone, in this video we're going to be discussing about named imports and dynamic imports. So I'm going to be telling you about what is dynamic import to how we can use dynamic imports. So dynamic imports are used to import the content which you actually use in a code and not all the content you ask the code to import. Like for a normal document, you would import things like this. So if you do like this, then it's called a static import. And at the beginning of the code, whether this is used or not, this will get imported. So this will increase the memory usage and it will make your code slow. So to speed up the code and reduce the memory usage, we use dynamic imports, which imports only when necessary. So we have this module.js here, which has a class teacher, which has a constructor with the name, and then a teach function, which logs that this teacher is logged in as a teacher. And then we have index.html, where we have included the index.js as a script with the module type. And this is the index.js, where we import the teacher class from the module.js. Now, let's create an instance of this class. So I'm going to say let teacher equal to new teacher, and then let's provide the name John Doe, and then we're going to do a teacher.teach, which will log in John Doe is logged in as a teacher in the console. So let's say that this is a school website and you have import teacher, import student, and import management staff. So you don't need the management staff and the student imports when you are a teacher. So that'll make your code slower and increase the memory usage. So you'll import which one is necessary. So this is called dynamic import. So let me do a dynamic import now. So I'll say I'm going to import the module.js, and obviously I'm going to enclose this in quotes, and then this is a promise. So we can use the dot then on this, where we take the teacher as an argument, and then this is the teacher class, and then let's type const teacher is equal to new teacher dot default and John Doe. And then finally we have this teacher.teach. So as you can see, John Doe is logged in as a teacher. So here you only need the teacher import. So I've imported the teacher and used it. So as here we don't need any student or management staff import, so I don't need to import those. And this is being imported and used at that moment. And then you can also use async and await in this function like this. You do this async, and then you can use the asynchronous JavaScript functions like await and stuff here. So this was about dynamic imports. Hope I have explained it well. Let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section below. I'll also link down a few articles in the description box below, so make sure you give them a quick read to understand the concept better. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and maybe share it out to other web developers. I'll meet you again in the next video. Until then, goodbye.